Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 60 Donor Requirement Travel. So project description is in this project you will assist stands and director as tracking number of major donors, children hospital, and you will insert the format sparkline charts and smart art graphics and funnel charts. You will also create the template to use the travel expenses. So if you want to complete MylTLab courses, it's Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we move to the main project step, and the total step is step 15. And we move to the step number 1. So step number 1 is open the Excel workbook student Excel 60 donor requirements access downloaded with this project. So go to the Excel worksheets. I have already downloaded the Excel file Excel 6G donor requirements. And we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is on the major fund donor worksheet, select the range B4 to F10 and then use the quick analysis tool to insert the line sparkline in the range G4 to G10. On the major fund donor worksheets, go to the Excel worksheet and major fund donor worksheets and select the range B4 to F10 and then use the quick analysis tool to insert the line sparkline in the range G4 to G10. So copy the range B4 to F10 and go to the Excel worksheet, paste the range, press enter and select the range B4 to F10 and then use the quick analysis tool to insert the line sparkline in the range G4 to G10. Go to the insert tab and go to the sparkline tabs and go to the sparkline group and click the line sparkline and in the range G4 to G10. G4 to G10 and click OK. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is format the sparkline to show the high point and last point. From the sparkline style gallery in the first row, apply the second style. Format the sparkline to show the high point and last point. So go to the sparkline tabs and sparkline show the high point and last point. Click the high point and last point, high point and last point, and format the sparkline style gallery in the first row. Apply the second style. Go to the style group and click the more and first row, second style. First row, apply the second style. First row, apply the second style. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is by using the data in the range A3 to F3 and A5 to F5, insert a line with the marker chart for the donor represented in the southeast and Tuscan region. Position the charts so that the upper left corner of the charts align with the upper left corner of a cell A12. By using the data range A3 to F3, copy the range and paste the range, press enter and A5 to F5. So select the range A5 to F5. Insert the line with the marker charts Donda represent in the southeast and Tesson region. Go to the Insert tab and go to the chart group. Click the recommended charts and click the all charts and go to the line charts and click the insert the line with the marker charts. The line and the line with the marker charts and click OK. In the marker charts and click OK. Position the chart so that the upper left corner of the charts line with the upper left corner of cell A12. Move and drag the charts and go to the cell A12. A12. So question number 4 is a complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is change the chart title to the southeast major donor. So copy the title and paste the title in the chart area. So select the chart title and select the all and paste the chart title to the southeast major donor and click OK. So question number 5 is a complete and we can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is added the vertical value axis to set the minimum to 10 and then measure unit to 2. So added the vertical value axis to set the minimum to 10 and the measure unit 2. Added the vertical value axis title, click the vertical value axis and vertical value axis to the minimum 10. Right click and click the format axis. So format axis pen is to minimum is 10. So select the minimum and type a 10, press enter. And next is major unit is 2. So select the major unit is 2 and press enter. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is format the plot area with the solid fill in the last column second color. Format the chart area with the solid fill in the last column, select the fourth color. So click the format area, plot format area, double click and go to the format plot area with the solid fill in the last column, click the second color. Go to the fill and line, click the fill and click the solid fill. Click the solid fill and last column second color. Last column in the second color. Last column in the second color. And next is format the chart area with the solid fill in the last column, select the fourth color. Format the chart area with the solid fill. So double click and go to the format the chart area and click the solid fill and last column select the fourth color. Last column in the fourth color. Last column in the fourth color. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is Insert the linear trade and change the width of the line 2.5 and navigates to cell A1 to deselect the charts and close the any display the format pane. So insert the linear trade line and change the width of line to 2.5 pt and navigate to cell A1 to deselect the charts close any display from the format pane. Insert the linear trade line chart and click the insert and linear trade line linear trade line to change the width of line 2.5 point. So select the linear trade line and click the more option and with this 2.5 pt 2.5 with the and navigate to cell A1 deselect the charts go to the cell A1 and close the any display format the pane and click the close the format pane. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is on the line chart worksheet insert the smart art graphic using the pyramid list style and position the smart art so that the upper left corner of the graphic align with the upper left corner of cell A3. On the list chart worksheets, go to the list chart worksheets and insert the smart art graphic using the pyramid list style and position the smart art so that the upper left corner of the graphic align with the upper left corner of a cell A3. So go to the insert tab and go to the illustration group and click the smart arts and insert the smart art graphic using the pyramid list style. Click the list and click the pyramid list. So find the pyramid list bending picture stack list increasing circle process and pipe process. Next is detail process group list and horizontal picture list and next is vertical picture list and picture strip alternative picture blocks and vertical and choose the pyramid list and vertical circle list and so select the pyramid list and click OK and again OK. Next is position the position the smart art so that the upper left corner graphic line with the upper left corner of cell A3. Move and drag the smart art and in the cell A3. Move and drag the cell A3 upper left corner of graphic line with the upper left corner in cell A3. So question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is in the smart art type of corporates in the top text box and type the private in the second text box and type the individual in the last text box. So copy the corporate in the top text box. So select the top text box and top is corporate and next is type the private in the second text box and type the individual in the last text box. copy the second title is private and center and private second box, and next is type the individual in the last text box. Individual in the last text box. So question number 10 is a complete. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses as accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. I will guarantee your complete assignments or exam, your 90 plus and 95 per 95% marks